Okay, so you're welcome again to another tutorial on the hamster combat. All right, so today we're still going to be doing the daily cipher, but of course we're having a different code again today. You know, in my last video I dropped one which was BTC. Okay, so today it's not that same BTC. Yesterday was a different one, and today is also a different code, but the technique is the same. Like the tapping technique is still the same, but the words that we need to unlock are different. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please, all I ask for is please subscribe to my channel, like the video. It's important. As you can see, it's a new channel and I need it to grow. All right, I need it to grow, so please, the only thing you can do to support my channel and to also give me some form of encouragement to do more is to subscribe and to like the video, because this channel, I'm going to be dropping legit updates. Okay, it's not just about hamster combat. Okay, it's updates on ways that you can earn, ways that you can invest, and all of that. So quickly, let's go into today's business again. So if you didn't watch the first video that I dropped on how to change this your hamster screen to the Cipher screen, to the Cipher, the daily Cipher screen, please do well to watch the video. But for those that missed it, all right, I'll just quickly do it again. So here on the hamster home screen, as it's open like this, we have to change it. Okay, we have to change it. So to do that, we will go over to the end per tab. All right, so we're going to go over to the end per tab. Let me show you. Here is your end per tab. Okay, so we're going to go over to the end per tab, and let me change it to green. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the end per tab and tap it 3 times. All right, 3 times. So I want to do that now. I'm there, 1 2 3, and you see the screen has changed. Okay, so just tap on your end per tab 3 times and your screen changes to the daily cipher screen for you to carry out your daily cipher tasks. All right, so now for today, the code we're going to be cracking is Ethereum. All right, Ethereum. That is Ethereum. Ethereum. That's what we're going to be spelling out today to be able to access this free 1 million coins that Hamster is offering to its users. So if you have not yet joined this Hamster project, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Please join it. I'll be dropping the link. All right, so you can just check in the comment section and you will find the link there. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go into it. So the first letter is E. All right, now I'll be dropping a screenshot of the letters and the symbols attached to each letters, so you can look at each of these letters and the symbols and do it. All right, now like I said, if you had watched the first video, you will get it easily. So please go back and just check. I don't have too many videos already, so just check and you will see the first video on this daily cipher hamster that I did. If you check the top of where the 1 million coin is written, just at the top there, you will see a small timer. Okay, you see a small timer written there. Look at it. You see a small timer. So we have about 8 hours left. So if after this time reads, and after this 8 hours I'm not able to unlock the code to get this 1 million coins, that means today's own is gone, like I've missed it. So you want to make sure that before the end of this timer, like before it reads to the end, you must have done yours. Okay. All right, so quickly we're going to start with the E. All right, we're going to start with the E. So to start with the E, you're just going to give it one tap. All right, to start with the E, you're going to give it one tap. Remember, we are spelling Ethereum. That's the code to unlock or to gain access to this 1 million coins. So the first letter is E. Now, to get that E popping out, we're going to give it one tap, just one tap with one finger. All right, you see my one tap. Immediately I tapped my screen once. You see the way, you know, like an O came out and the letter E followed immediately. So that's how you're going to be doing yours. All right, now the next letter is the T. Now for the T, you're going to just hold on your screen for like a second and you remove your hand. Press on your screen. You're not tapping, please. Touch your screen like long press. Okay, long press on your screen for like a second and you take off your hand. So let's do that. All right, and that's it. Now when you long press on the screen, like holding down on the screen for a second and taking off your hand, you see like a dash appears and then the T follows. So let's go over to the next letter. The next letter is H. Now to get the H, you're going to be tapping 4 times on the screen. You tap it 4 times on the screen. All right, so I'm going to be doing that. 1 2 3 4, and you see the H appear. Okay, now the next letter is E. Remember, we've done E already, so we're going to be doing it again, which is just one tap and you see the E appear. All right, now the next letter is arrow. So we're going to be doing arrow. You tap once, you long press, and you tap once. Remember I said the long pressing is you just press on your screen for like a second, just a second, and you take off your hand. All right, so to get the arrow, you tap once, long press, tap once. So let's do that. Tap once, long press, tap once. Okay, are you following me? Now we've gotten our R. The next one is E again. So that's really like simple. I don't need to talk about it again. So just tap once and your E is out. Okay, so the next letter is U. To get the U, you tap twice and you long press. You tap it 2 times, bam bam, and you long press. That's it. So let's do it. 1 2, long press, and your U is out. Are you seeing it? Now the last letter and we're done. The last letter is you long press twice, meaning you long press, you tap, sorry, you're not tapping. You hold onto the screen a second, remove your hand, place your hand back again, hold on a second and remove your hand. That is your long pressing twice. So let's do that. 1 2, and our M is out, and yay, we did it. So please make sure you follow this video step by step. If there's any area you do not understand, it's easy. All right, it's easy. Just follow the video and you are done. If you have not liked this video or you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Please encourage me. I am begging. Subscription is totally free. Just click on that subscribe button and also tap on the like button, like the thumbs up. Tap on it, okay, to like the video. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's take our prize, and you tap on take the prize, and that's it. Like, that is it. You're done for today. So thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.